Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on privilege escalation. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. Top cybersecurity firms teach this in their training. Pay attention to these important details and best practices. Understanding the core concepts is crucial. Career opportunities and certifications related to privilege escalation. Now, let's explore the practical applications. Best practices for implementing privilege escalation in production. Security professionals use these methods in real-world scenarios. Common mistakes to avoid when working with privilege escalation. Troubleshooting common issues you might encounter. Industry standards and compliance requirements. Legal and ethical considerations you must understand. Performance optimization tips for privilege escalation. Let's look at some real-world examples and case studies. How privilege escalation fits into the broader cybersecurity landscape. Integration with other security tools and frameworks. Community support and where to get help. Here are the step-by-step procedures you need to follow. Let's start with the fundamentals of privilege escalation. Resources for continued learning and skill development. Let me demonstrate the actual commands and techniques. Advanced techniques that separate beginners from experts. To summarize what we've covered about privilege escalation, you now have the knowledge to implement this effectively. Practice these techniques in a safe, legal environment. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Check out our other metasploit_framework tutorials. Leave comments with your questions and experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.